Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Behemoth Titan. Now, I want to start redrawing some of these big famous Godzilla characters in some different poses because some of those older videos that I have, they're just in one pose, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you how to draw them in some different poses and some different styles. So if you guys have any other ideas for other Titans you'd like to see in some different poses, definitely let me know. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Now, to start off with our Behemoth Titan, I'm going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up like a check mark. Next, we'll make a little line that's just going to go down and up. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to come up like this. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then back in. Then we'll make another one right here. Starting here, we're just going to make lines going to come down. Then we're just going to curve it back and then up. Now, starting here, we're going to make one of his big tusks. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to angle up. We're going to make it come to a point. It's going to come down and then up here. Kind of looks like the Nike logo. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go in, and then it's just going to come out. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that's just going to come down to here for the other tusk. We're going to make it jump out, and then it's going to come down and then back. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then in, and we're just going to come up, and we're going to go around like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up. And then a little line that's just going to go over, and that's going to come up here. We're going to make a little line that's going to come over and then up for a little detail. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come back down for the ear. And a little curved line that goes up like this. Next, we're going to draw a couple little curved lines right there. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a big line that's just going to come down. I'm going to add a couple little pointy lines for some fur. Then we're going to make these lines come out here. I'm going to make some nice, long, kind of pointy, wavy lines for some fur. Then we're just going to bring these lines up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. Another one's going to go down and in. And one more, it's going to go down and then in. And I'm going to bring it up for a big claw. Bring this line down. And I'm going to make this line come up and then into here. I'll add another pointy claw that goes up and down, and one more there. Now, starting here, we're going to add that other arm, so I'm just going to draw another kind of furry line down, or zigzag line. Then this time, we're going to bring it out to here. I'm going to make a big line that's going to curve out to a point and come back. I'll make another one right here. Make one more here. And then we'll make one small one here. Then I'm going to add some more points, and we're going to come back to here. Now for the back of Behemoth Titan, we're going to make some little points that come up and down. Make another one up and down here. Another one here, and then one more right there. Next, I'm just going to make his back look pretty furry. It's going to come down pretty suddenly, and then kind of even out over here. Right about here, I'm just going to add kind of like a zigzag line for his stomach. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and it's going to come back. And you can see I'm adding more of those zigzag lines. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll add a line that's going to come down and over. Another one's going to come down and over. One more here. And then we're just going to bring it up. I'm going to bring this line up and in. And then we're just going to curve this line up. Next, I'm just going to draw this line down here for a tail. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. Make a little line that's going to come down and over. Another one's going to go down and over. And then right over here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve down and up for another claw. Now, here's our basic shape of our Behemoth Titan in the different pose. Now we just want to come in here and add some different details. So one of the things I'm going to do is just add a couple little kind of wrinkly lines over here just to kind of show where there's some wrinkles on the hands. I'm going to add some little lines that go up and down for the toes, or the toenails. We'll add some longer lines here, and then a couple little curved lines right around here. Show some different details. Gonna add a few more lines up here by the neck. And a few more kind of little wrinkle lines. A couple lines by the eyes. A few more lines over here. And then just a couple little detail lines. I'm gonna make some quick little lines right around the edges of the arms. And a few around the legs too, and the stomach, just to add some detail. I'm going to make some kind of long broken lines right onto his big tusks. And I'm just going to do a few over here too. I'm going to add a couple more lines up here. And there you go, here is your drawing of the Behemoth Titan in a different pose. I definitely want to try drawing a few more of some of the classic Titans in some different poses just to give you guys some different ways on how to draw them. So if you guys like these, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to keep drawing some more of the Titans in some of the different poses. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.